how to create a photo collage using Canva. So let's get started. Here I've opened the Canva app and you can search in photo collage right here or just photo. Okay, there we can see the photo collage option, so just click on that and then you can see various templates. You can choose a template or you can create one from scratch as usual. So let me see, there are lots of aesthetic options, so if you want to go for that you can do that as well. Okay, so as it says, you can just tap on an element and then start editing. You can change this photo if you want. You can choose replace to replace that photo. So let's see, I guess this one will do, and click replace. And you can basically change everything in here and then you can make a beautiful photo collage. So that's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button and the notification button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Bye.